A dark, bizarro tale. A disturbing peek into the world of gainers and feeders. Grotesquely obese individuals and the people who facilitate their growth for the lascivious pleasure of both parties. Join our heroine in a fantastical journey to discover the unnerving and grotesque secrets which lay behind the feeder's nefarious schemes.
Come along now, 464.
The little man coaxed as he struggled to make himself heard over the chattering cacophony of the pizzas.
You must be hungry by now. It's been an hour and a half since breakfast.
I am hungry, 464 replied with a forlorn sigh from her extra-large bed. Very much so. The little man thought that the poor gal just looked so miserable, lying there all by herself and being taunted by her lunch. The vast bulk of his charge's obese, naked body was spread out across the generously sized mattress. Was there even a size beyond Ultra King?